Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware and phone. You want both devices ready. Put the Airpods in the case, open the lid, and charge above 20% so resets complete reliably. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the Info button and choose Forget this device. Confirm. Once done, leave the lid open and make sure Bluetooth is enabled on the iPhone. This is essential because the next steps rely on active pairing signals and a cleared device. Now you perform the reset and reinitiate pairing. This clears the old handoff. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for 15 seconds. Watch for the amber then white flash. That tells you the AirPods are in pairing mode. With the lid open, bring the case within a few inches of the unlocked iPhone. The pairing dialog should appear. Tap Connect, follow any voice or screen prompts, and wait. Successful pairing will show a synced status and battery levels. Finish by confirming the connection and adjusting audio. Open Control Center, tap the AirPlay icon, and select your AirPods so audio routes correctly. This also verifies the link. If pairing failed, restart your iPhone and repeat the reset sequence exactly. Sometimes a fresh Bluetooth stack is needed. As a final check, make sure the AirPods show in Settings General about when connected so you can install firmware updates. This one troubleshooting tip: restart and retry the reset. Fixes most persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.